In this video, we will be looking at different styles of sink mounts. There are 5 different styles of sink mounts that we offer at Grifform. These being undermount, overmount, wall mount, vessel, and farm face. Overmount sinks are sinks where the rim sits over the top surface of the countertop. An advantage of an undermount sink as opposed to an overmount sink is the ability to easily clean the countertop off without hitting the overmount rim. Whereas with overmount sinks, liquids would impede with the overmount rim. Overmount sinks can be an appealing alternative design style. Of this list, undermount sinks are the most common style of sink mounts used today. This style started to become popular in the 1970s when kitchens began switching to a more modern straight edge design. A vessel sink mount is a sink mount that is designed to sit above the countertop. Typically, with vessel sinks, it is recommended to use a taller faucet to support the height of the vessel sink. This style of mount is typically used in some form of a lavatory vanity. A farm face mount is a drop-in sink that has an exposed front face. This style would typically be used in a larger kitchen wash sink. The wall mount sink style is a sink that is designed to be mounted directly to the stud walls. The wall mount sink styles are often installed in bathrooms and are popular for many minimalistic designs. I hope this video helped you understand the different styles of sink mounts. I'm David, you guys have a wonderful day, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.